on, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. Or should I say, Mikey Insane Pipes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Directly before you, on this shelf, is a boatload of PEX expansion fittings. Not everything here, though. You know, I got a little lower, 4 lower shelves are dedicated to zoom lock, things of that nature. But everything you see here that's expansion, from these 3/4 inch sweat by expansion adapters, these expansion drop your elbows, the tees, more tees, the couplings from 1/2, 3/4, not this one, this one, here, 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 not those, not these. Well, I'll give you these 2 though if you want. Not those, but these. Wow, look at those. Those are press by 3/4 expansion. 1/2 inch press by expansion. We have, wow, look at all those. Look at all those male by, the expansion by male adapters. Wow, and 3/4 and 1/2 inch. A female adapter, sweat, 1/2 inch, expansion tees, more 3/4 sweat by expansion, expansion 90s and 1/2, 3/4 and 1 inch. And I got the rings. I even have those expansion by R20s. Everything here, plus a brand new 1/2 inch, 3/4 and 1 inch, and the tool, right? And I'll give you a charger as well with 1 battery. $1,600. That's fucking insane! The first person to send me $1,600, I'm gonna put it all into a box and mail it to you. I'm switching over to Viega. Viega PureFlow. All right, I have to go to Viega Chametz, across the street. We're gonna burn the Chametz. What's up, Jack? How are you?
Great day.
All right, this year we're doing the burning of the Chametz the day before Passover starts. Passover does start Saturday night after Shabbat, and the reason why we're not doing it on Shabbat is because you can't burn anything on Shabbat. So we're doing it today, and conveniently, the Woodmere Fire Department hosts the burning of the Chametz event every year, and it's epic because the Woodmere Fire Department is right across the street from our New York headquarters here in Woodmere on Central Avenue. Literally right across the street. Can't beat that. And what's great about my Woodmere location is that it is 1.1 miles from my home. I literally have to make one turn. No, sorry. I literally have to make 2 turns to be in my parking lot from my driveway. That's pretty cool. So it's nice. It's nice. We have these community resources. So it's really, really, really nice. Yesterday, yesterday, Daniel, Peter, and myself, we drove to Upstate New York. Now, I keep saying Upstate New York because It's way outside our service area. However, we went upstate to replace two steam heating systems for a YouTube subscriber who is now a Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor client, a residential client. And we have this understanding where, listen, we can come once a year at a premium, but we're not, offering repair services, 24/7 service. It's not happening. So we normally have one of the recyclers, also known as a scrap guy, who drives around, picks up our boilers, and depending on the ease, maybe we'll throw him a few shekel, a few bucks. But we offered to go to upstate New York for him because he was desperate and he wanted someone to come out to him. And that was us. But our scrap metal guy, sorry, I just totally did a word salad there, like camel toe. Our scrap guy wanted $500 a boiler to drive up there. I was like, what are you, smoking crack? Anyway, so Daniel, Peter, and myself, we loaded all the scrap metal into the back of the Daniel's truck, and they recycled it yesterday. So take a guess what they got. Here's a video clip of that scene. Did you Peter, guess what it was going to be worth before you dumped it? Yeah. Don't tell me the number. Who was right?
Peter was closer.
Really?
Yeah.
Was he over or closer?
He was over.
So you did the closest, including going over?
Well, yeah, he was just closer. What do you mean?
Usually it's like the price is right. The closest without going over wins.
Yeah, so
you got to run the show.
None of you won.
Yeah.
Okay. So you had two boilers.
If you're within $100, you get both showcases.
You had two boilers, the steam piping from the near boiler from the two boilers, and the controls, not the copper though, right?
Not the copper.
Okay. Mike, what do you think it was?
And a radiator.
And a radiator, a cast iron radiator. Two boilers, near boiler piping for two boilers, all in steel, and a cast iron radiator.
5 cents a pound, drop like 1,500 pounds, you're looking at $75.
I'm gonna guess 190.
That's what I guessed.
You guess 190 as well?
Or 183. Around there.
What did Peter guess?
161.
Wow, so he was under.
He was over.
What was it, 80 bucks?
120. Yeah, he was 120.
Not bad.
It was
How much
like
were you paying per pound?
11, 20, 10 cents a pound or something.
10 cents a pound.
10 cents a pound. Shit, I may have to sell my fat ass. 10 cents a pound. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all have an amazing weekend. I've been enjoying Chametz with my boy Yoili. We've been having the Chametz. And that's my boy Stoli. My Stoli! Yeah.
I'm looking for Coca-Cola.
There's no Coca-Cola.
My in-laws are here. Oh. I'm gonna go make pishy. Make pishy outside? They need to make pishy outside. Yeah. Ooh. We'll make pishy outside? Yeah. We'll go make pishy outside. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Oh my God, it's raining. Message we have to relay to everyone.
What's that?
Cock Sameach!
Okay, yeah.
Cock Sameach.